Hello, good evening once again. You're all welcome to the Scholarship Abroad Pathway Part 2. So, this evening I promised those who will come in early on the flyer that we'll be sharing some bits on the LinkedIn app, like how we are going to optimize your account on the app. LinkedIn is not a luxury, it's a lifeline. A lot of people are getting opportunities, tons of opportunities about it. So when you talk about opportunities, LinkedIn is equal to visibility. You should be able to build a strong online presence that even when you are out of that institution, your brand, your visibility will still be relevant so that you can leverage on it. LinkedIn growth is strategy, it's not luck. As a public health student, I'm a disease control student. I am interested in neglected tropical diseases. I am interested in infectious diseases. To follow accounts that their interests align perfectly with mine, and I have to post valuable content. No mixed signals. Not that you pick this one and then you post. You pick this one and then you post. Stick to your lane and own it. You are interested in trans fats and all that. That is your lane. You should post content in your lane so that you can own it. And once you are reading in that lane, that is where you build a strong presence and then you can own your lane. Thoughtful comments is more than likes. Network. 10 years, 5 years, 20 years from now, if somebody will lead you somewhere, it is because of your network. It is because you have connected well. Because you didn't allow anybody to slip by.